Good morning guys, what's going on? Welcome to a very unique and stunning place in Pampanga, the Philippines. I want to almost say it's like a little hidden paradise. We are actually here in Pampanga today to visit the furniture company More Than a Chair that are producing the furniture for our new condo. You will have seen that already. And before we get a view of the actual manufacturing facilities, we got to check out a new bed and breakfast location that they are also opening up. It's called Fabrika, and it is a very unique place. Everything here is built of reclaimed furniture, reclaimed wood, reclaimed pieces of art that all come from the old factory of More Than a Chair. I will have the owner Alan give us a short introduction to everything, but this place is so beautiful. We are here at the foot of a little river that's passing by. You can see there's some fishing here, you can hear birds, the sun is glistening through the trees. That is so beautiful. Good morning, Nelly. Good morning. Where did we wake up here?
I mean, wow. I have no words. I mean, where are we? It's so magical. And yeah, we were actually surprised to come to this place because I was just told we're going to a special place. I had no idea to find this. So I think it's going to be very exciting to show you guys around what they have here, and it's so peaceful. You're in the middle of nature and you hear birds, and I was just standing out on that dock. Would love to have breakfast there. It's so amazing.
Yeah, so this place consists of, I'd say, 4 or 5 Bali style villas. They have single rooms, family rooms, really nice. And as I mentioned, everything is kind of reclaimed from things from the old factory that have been brought over, and we will give you a quick tour of this place because it is really unique.
Something that fascinates me a lot is that these doors are actually made of old furniture. So you can see the elements of the furniture in here. Look at that, so many details. It's so pretty, and it's so high. So you have these huge doors, and then you enter your own little garden area. You have a little bathtub here slash
soak tub.
Yeah, it's so pretty. I can imagine. I mean, they already put a few flowers in, so I can imagine when it's filled up and then full of flowers. I mean, just guys, think of the grams. Instagrammable, totally beautiful. And then we have,
and again, these huge doors, beautiful, huge wooden doors.
Lots of wooden elements, lots of plants as well. So you're very connected to nature. Then you come in and have this beautiful room here, which is absolutely stunning. And something that I love a lot are actually these sketches. The sketches are real
design plans from the old factory.
And actually, when we met, I said, oh, I want to keep these sketches because you can hang them up, and they literally did the same thing here. And I think something that we have to mention is they are not done designing this yet.
Yes, exactly. It's still a work in progress, but to imagine that they just started this 6 months ago, and actually today they have their first guests. Crazy. I mean, wow.
Something that I spotted behind you is this piece of wood that got repurposed here.
So beautiful.
Yeah, and Alan is actually a huge fan of repurposing old elements and then just making something new out of it, which is actually a very common trend right now, DIY, and just using the things that you have. So what they come up with is really something very special.
I think it goes far beyond DIY. I think it's an art seeing certain elements, certain old furnitures, equipment, and then seeing an idea what you can turn it into. Not everybody can do that. I can't do that.
Yeah. Okay, let's show the other places.
Yeah. So here we have a prime example. This is some old equipment from the factory, which has just been repurposed to kind of be part of this whole table.
Yeah.
Which is so cool. And then here you can see these fans. These are like cooler fans from engines, and they're just placed here as wall decoration.
And even I think this lamp looks like a factory lamp. Oh, look at this.
Actually, we didn't show you guys the entrance area, which is really, really beautiful as well. We'll show the entrance at the end.
Yeah.
Let's grab breakfast.
Yes. So yeah, seems like the pandemic brought up some really nice and cool ideas, especially when you think of this area. It's so green. We have a lot of trees here. Right here where I'm standing, there are 3 huge mango trees. And you can see the mangoes here. I can imagine how it must be when they are ripe and you see the orange mangoes, the yellow mangoes hanging from the tree. Oh, it's so stunning. Okay guys, you met Alan already in our vlogs.
You can see there's a carving, a face of it.
Oh wow, yeah, I didn't see that. So this was all made in your factory?
Yes, we used to have a factory here and then we have to close it down during the Pinatubo eruption.
Yeah. Oh wow. That was in
1992 or 93 we have to leave the place.
Yeah. Oh. I love this view. So this is another drawing from the factory. Beautifully placed here in the dining area, right by the river.
Chase the bus.
Ooh. Going to try some really nice coffee.
Nice siphoned coffee. That's it's a very good way to make coffee.
And yeah, I'm happy we are having breakfast at this
very
spot
beautiful.
here. Yeah, look at that view.
Right? Okay, we have our coffee served already, and we got here a specialty from Pampanga, which is chocolate batirol, I believe, whisk chocolate. It's made from local coffee beans, and it usually gets served. Cacao beans, of course. Sorry, yes. And it usually gets consumed with a rice dish. So let's give this a try.
I'm zooming in.
Oh, oh. Oh, that is so good. Oh, the chocolate flavor is so unique. It's like, it's almost chocolate with a hint of caramel.
Yeah.
So good. Well, that'll wake you up if this doesn't. Wow.
So in Filipino, this one crab omelette, we call it tortang alimasag.
Tortang alimasag.
Yes. So this asadong matwa, this is a Kapampangan, authentic Kapampangan dish. So the meat is slow cooked in savory tomato sauce.
Wow.
So I hope you like it. So
thank you so
yeah,
much.
Enjoy the breakfast.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So our breakfast just came out and this is what we got. It looks delicious.
So good. I had no idea that we were going to be treated to amazing Pampangan specialties. Pampanga, after all, is the culinary capital of the Philippines, so I don't know what we expected. Of course, it's going to be amazing. So I'm going to give this crab omelette a try. Oh, look at that. So well prepared. Savory. You have that nice crab flavor in there. A little bit salty. The omelette is so soft. It's like a thin. It's almost like a crepe. It's like really, really nice. And then we have this pork dish as well. Look at that. Wow. Oh, rich, deep umami flavors in there. A nice tomato reduction. And then a ton of spices in there. Almost has a little bit of an Indonesian touch to it, flavor-wise. And then we have some beautiful pandesal. So nice. So everybody, this is Alan. They've met you already before in a video, and we're just getting a bit of a tour of the property. It's so stunningly beautiful, and I think now we're taking a look at your sister's project.
Yes, it's called Venta Suites.
Venta Suites.
She's
Wow.
the youngest, so still a work in progress.
Yeah.
Still a work.
The factory, right?
Yeah. Wow, that looks so cool.
Where we dry the wood. So we'll walk. I'll walk you through.
Don't worry, I love
So
how
cool.
you repurpose the machine.
Yes.
You just put it- Okay, so here we are at a compound that is still very original to its fabric, and then I mean, the whole area here is so magical. It's just very, how do you say, rustic, right?
Yeah.
Rustic with a lot of plants. There's even this forklift. They painted it black and now put some plants on there. We have huge chandeliers in the background and lots of greenery, and it's just, I don't know, I can't wait until this place is finished. I just want to stay here for a week or so and just explore every single corner and take pictures of everything. Okay, I just quickly wanted to show you a couch that was patched together from fabrics that were left over. So this whole couch is literally leftovers from the materials. So you can see different kinds of fabrics. Wow, so soft. And these guys are putting a lot of love and effort into this detailed drawing that goes into the bathroom. Just quickly show you the bathroom. So nice, with lots of green. Wow. And an area that I'm really looking forward to is this as part of the room over there. There's so much love for details, even like these handles. So pretty, I want it for at home as well. And as we were strolling through the property, Alan actually told us about his childhood stories and the memories that he has with this place. So he and his siblings actually grew up on this factory area. He even showed us the canteen where the workers used to have lunch, and I mean, this place is pure magic. I can't wait until it's finished. How pretty are these sunbed chairs? As you have seen, there are a lot of plants here in this area as well. So Alan told us that his mom is actually taking care of most of the plants. So yeah, lots of greenery. This is an IG spot, I would say. By the way, guys, this is the canteen that I talked of. So it has this really cute entrance. Hi, doggy. Hi. Hello. Can I have a look inside? Okay, you don't care. But yeah, this is a. There you go. This is it. And a little sneak peek inside.
Okay guys, so stunning, such a beautiful spot. We'll actually put all the details in the description box down below for both accommodations that they're here. Definitely worth checking out. It's very close to Manila, so if you want to have like a weekend getaway, this is the perfect spot. Also the food feels so good.
Yeah,
Coffee,
agree.
A1, awesome. Guys, if you're new here, so hit that subscribe button. We're going to be exploring some very unique places like this around Luzon, the area of Luzon, before we can travel further out in this beautiful country. So definitely subscribe for that, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Same time, same place. Remember to stay awesome,
Be positive.
and make it happen. Bye bye.